Ready? Ollie, can you pick your bottle up, honey? Can you pick up the balloon and show it to baby Remy?
No, I'll hold it.
Show it to baby Remy. You can hold it. Okay, you hold it. But baby Remy likes it when you throw it.
I'll hold it.
Okay, you hold it, honey.
And throw it.
You throw it. Whoa. Whoa. There goes baby Remy.
You flip.
You flipped.
Yeah.
Yeah. He laughs when you throw it.